Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by putting the Bluetooth peripheral into pairing mode. This is required so your computer can see it again. Once done, open Bluetooth settings on your computer and choose the Add or Pair option. You're acting now, don't reboot yet. If the device previously showed as removed, start the Add Device flow. If not, toggle Bluetooth off then on to refresh scanning. Make sure the device battery is sufficient because low power often prevents repairing immediately. You select the visible device and follow prompts, enter a PIN if requested or confirm the code on both ends. If the device does not appear, check Device Manager for leftover entries and uninstall them. These ghost entries can block a clean pair. Once cleared, retry scanning. Also make sure drivers are current. Open Device Manager, locate Bluetooth adapter, and update drivers. Outdated drivers frequently stop reconnection. After updating, repeat the pairing process to confirm success. You finish by testing the connection. Play audio, transfer a file, or check device status in settings to confirm functionality. If the device pairs but behaves oddly, restart the Bluetooth service or reboot your computer to clear caches and reinitialize profiles. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the peripheral. This often resolves pairing conflicts created when devices are removed and re-added. If resetting, re-enter pairing from the start and confirm the device now connects reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.